Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to see how to extend image part in Photoshop. So let's go. First of all, open that image in Photoshop that you want to extend. Now click on the clone tool and select OK. Then you need to zoom little bit like this and then scroll and hold the Alt key and select from where you want to clone, and then you can easily clone like this. You need to select that part from where you want to clone again and again by holding Alt key so that you can fabulously clone that part. Now I am doing it little bit faster so that I can save your time. So till that you can like and subscribe my channel. Do now. Now I am cloning this part of the image by the same process. Press Alt key again and again so that you can clone perfectly. Now you can see that how perfectly we clone. So do like, comment and share and subscribe, and also check out this amazing cool videos.